What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be comparing Messi Mās to some Prime. I got the Ice Speed flavor, so let's compare. So the design looks very similar, and let's see, the flavor is Miami Punch, and this is Dragon Fruit Acai. So like on the side it has like a little message from Messi. And then on this one, it's the same thing, I think. Oh, this one doesn't have it though. Here, let me go get another Prime bottle, like a regular one. Okay, I'm back. What's up? So, I got the Mahomes Prime, and it has like a little message from Logan and KSI. It has like the 3-time MVP, 3-time Super Bowl champion, and let's see. Both has the same amount of fluid ounces in it, 16.9 or 500 milliliters. Let's see. So I'm going to compare all three of these, Mahomes, Miami Punch, and the Ice Speed. Okay, let's taste test. I'm doing this last, this first, this second. Okay, so we got the Patrick Mahomes flavor. Again, it's just Metamoon. If you can see, yeah, that's just Metamoon, so it just tastes like Metamoon. So we got the Ice Speed, has Suey on the side. It's supposed to taste like Dragon Fruit Acai. This one sort of like reminds me of like Glowberry almost. It's pretty, almost like sourish. Again, it does taste like dragon fruit. This is definitely better than Mahomes. So now we've got Messi Mās. We're going to taste test this. So let's go. This one, it does taste like fruit punch. It has like a bunch of, I feel like, raspberries. It almost tastes like a raspberry-ish to me. So that's it for Prime. I'm just going to show you some cool stuff I have in my room. So, yeah. Okay, so we got Utah Jazz autograph ball. Here, I'm about to get you all the review. My bad. So this, got all the players' autographs. And one cool fact is, Greg Ostertag, he was in Mount Vernon. And he played for the Jazz. And then, let's see. Football, signed by our high school team. It's all of our players. It was from a couple years ago. Let's see. I got a Harlem Globetrotters autograph ball. I do have some bobbleheads over here. Here's one bobblehead. Here's another. There's a golden Texas Rangers ball. And here's my PSA 10. I pulled out of a pack. It's a 1-of-1. And I have a Bucky's bobblehead and a Dolis Garcia. And I have an autograph ball, but me and my dad can't figure out who it is. And I got this for my birthday. It's a Yogi Berra. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's see, is there anything else? No, that's it for today. Like and subscribe. Bye. I'll probably post a couple shorts later. I don't know. That's it for today. Bye.